Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I am happy to share with you our home-cooked food from my cucina to yours. Welcome to Michelle's Cucina. For today, we will be cooking a Filipino dessert made from coconut milk. This is usually served during fiestas and during the holidays. Our cheesy MAJA Blanca. If you want to follow the exact measurements of our ingredients, it is best to prepare them ahead for quick cooking and you won't be missing anything. These are our ingredients for our cheesy MAJA Blanca. 1 pack 400 ml instant coconut milk, preferably Coco Mama. This is my trusted brand because by far, this brand has a natural coconut taste. Take note, this is not sponsored but Coco Mama, baka naman. 1 cup white sugar, 1 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 370 ml Alpine Evaprated Full Cream Milk. You may use fresh milk or any other brands, but I prefer Alpine. Psst! Alpine! Hello! 1 cup water, half a can of 410 grams cream corn. Okay, take note, we will only use half of the can. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence for more flavor, and 1/2 bar of a 160 grams cheese bar. Okay, let us begin with mixing our ingredients first in a bowl. Well, actually, you can just do it directly into your pot. But as for me, I don't want any scratches on my pot, so I will do it first in a bowl. Okay, let's add in our dry ingredients first. Cornstarch, then our sugar, just mix it. Slowly add in our water as we continue to whisk. Okay, grab a wire whisk for this. I do this procedure so we can be sure that our cornstarch and sugar are well dissolved for a lump-free finished product. In making MAJA, I know it is very hard if you don't have the right ratio of cornstarch and your wet ingredients. Sometimes you will end up with very soft MAJA, and that it won't even firm up even after 24 hours. And sometimes you will also end up with a very tough MAJA because you could have added a lot of cornstarch compared to your wet ingredients. So this time, with the help of our recipe, estimating and eyeballing of ingredients will put to an end. Yes, it will finally put to an end if you just follow the exact measurements of our ingredients. You will now learn the proper ratio and enjoy a perfectly made MAJA Blanca. Just continue to whisk and add in our coconut milk. Then let's add in our milk. Add corn. And lastly, our vanilla essence. Just mix everything until well combined. And we are now ready to transfer this mixture into a pot. Let's turn on the heat and make sure that the fire is set on medium to avoid scorching or burning the bottom. Then we will slowly cook it. When cooking maha, it really takes a lot of patience in mixing. The thicker it will be, the heavier it is to mix. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, we will be sharing with you how you can make this recipe as a food business. Okay, at 6 minutes, some of our mixture is already starting to firm. Just continue to mix while scraping the bottom to make sure that there are no lumps. This process is really more of like an arm workout. Now our mixture is starting to really thicken. We mixed it for about 8 minutes to be able to reach to this consistency. It is quite tiring, but I tell you, it's going to be worth it. And this is done. We can tell it is done because we can see and you can really feel that it is already heavy to mix. Now let us transfer our maha into our molds. This time, I am going to use a 500 ml rectangle microwavable container. Let us assume that we will be selling these. Okay, now fill the container 3/4 full only. Okay, do not make it full, only 3/4 full. Then, just level the maha. Then we grate our cheese on top. And that's it. We were able to fill 4 500 ml rectangular container. Just give it time to cool down, then we will refrigerate it for about 1 to 2 hours. And it will be ready for your dessert or merienda. And so now here is our chilled MAJA BLANCA. So now let me serve myself a slice. Our maha has the right sweetness and balance with the salty taste of our cheese, and you get to enjoy every small bits of corn in every bite. It's really perfect. It's not soft, it's not hard, it is just really of the right consistency. I would like to share with you our costing for our cheesy MAJA BLANCA recipe. We may sell this for 90 to 100 pesos per 500 ml tub. Prices may vary according to your location and as to where you will purchase your ingredients. So, adjust costs accordingly. I have already added a 40% production cost to cover up labor, overhead expenses and packaging, and an additional 30% for markup or profit. So, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time!